pay yourself first. This one principle was a game changer in my life. We scroll past money tips all day, every day. But one of the oldest books that I have ever read on money, I read it in my early 20s. I actually borrowed the book from a friend and I've never forgotten it because The Richest Man in Babylon holds more truth today than many of the financial advice that's going around out there. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, I'm grateful you're here. Thank you so much for watching. Now, let's get into the video. Lesson number 1, pay yourself first. Most people save what's left after spending. This principle taught me that savings had to happen before I started paying bills, before I started spending on things that I didn't even plan to spend on. Here is some real world data. A 2023 bank rate study showed that 1 in 4 Americans have zero savings. Here is what you can do. Set up an automatic transfer from your salary account into a separate savings account that you are not accessing regularly. Call it your freedom account. And that automatic transfer should happen before you spend any money at all. Lesson number 2, live below your means. Why is this necessary? Because lifestyle creep is real. When you start to earn more, your expenses will rise right along with it. And before you know it, that increase that you got is completely wiped out. Budgeting is a critical step to make sure that you're tracking your expenses. And I know once we mention that word, budget, a lot of people just immediately have anxiety or they feel like it's too much work. There is a simple rule that can make this process easier for you. It's the 70-20-10 rule. I have a video on this. I'll link it here or in the description below so you can watch it because I think it might help you. Lesson number 3, make your money work for you. Saving is only part of the formula. Growth is what actually is going to build wealth. This lesson actually taught me that while savings is good, letting your money sit isn't actually building wealth. It is actually eroding the value of your money. Inflation will quietly eat away at the value of your dollar every year. And even at 3%, say you have $1,000 saved, you are losing the value of $30 at that rate. So here's what you need to do. You need to choose a growth option that you're comfortable with. You need to figure out how you want to invest your money. Now that may be in a number of different things, whether real estate, index funds, stocks, bonds, whatever you feel comfortable with. So educate yourself and then pick an investment option that you are comfortable with that will allow your money to grow. Lesson number 4, protect your money from loss. This particular lesson people really don't pay attention to until they actually get burnt. Many people have lost money rushing into opportunities that they really don't understand and that might not have been a part of their plan. The book says, don't invest where you lack understanding. This is so important. Warren Buffett says, never invest in what you do not understand. Same wisdom, just different centuries. Here's what you do. Before spending or investing, ask yourself this. Is this aligned with my future plans? Or am I just responding to pressure to act on this right now? Personally, I now give myself time, as much time as I need, to make serious financial decisions because emotional decisions can often cost you the most. Lesson number 5, increase your ability to earn. This lesson right here is the real key to financial freedom. The book reminded me that growth wasn't just in your budget, but in you. So here's what you can do. think about it and pick a skill, probably over the next 2 to 3 months, a skill that can help you increase your earning power. I invested in my skills right throughout my career. I did courses that would help me in my 9 to 5. I did courses that would help me develop a side business because I knew I wanted to grow in my career that would increase my earning potential. And I wanted the ability to have a side business that could also bring in additional money as well. The more you grow, the more doors will open for you. These 5 lessons may sound simple, but they are critical. I think in a world that's filled with a lot of get rich quick noise, timeless principles are going to be your advantage. Now, as I close the video, I think there may be another video that might help you. 5 money moves to make before payday. I'll link it here on screen or I'll link it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take good care. Bye-bye.